So you want great sound from your movies, music and games, but you don't want a room full of speakers? Well, we may have just what you need on today's episode. There are many benefits to having a good quality hi-fi separate system and pair of speakers. However, if you just don't have the room for all of that equipment, or you fancy yourself a bit of a minimalist, then the Triangle AIO twin speakers may be just what you're after. These compact powered speakers are designed to be a hub for all of your entertainment devices, hence the name AIO, or all-in-one. I'm looking forward to getting my hands on them, so let's see what you get in the box.
Another fresh unboxing. So what do we have here? First up is an accessories box. We'll open that in a minute. We've got standard power lead tucked away in there. And then the speakers themselves, wrapped neatly in some fabric covers to keep that beautiful brown maple finish protected. These speakers come in a staggering 6 colours: black, blue, white, purple, grey, and of course brown maple. Spinning them around, we can see that huge selection of inputs and outputs, which we'll get to, and the simple binding post connectors on the back of the other speaker there. Quickly taking a look at the accessories, we have the power cable, no need to take that out. And then in the box we have the instructions, a European power cable, a length of simple but good quality speaker cable, and that neat little remote control. Active speakers like these have an amplifier built into one speaker, which you can plug all your devices into, which then powers the other with some standard speaker cable. The advantage of this over something like, say, a soundbar is the amazing stereo separation that you get from being able to space the speakers apart. So whether you're listening to a turntable, your TV, or you're just using the built-in Bluetooth, you get great playback without the need for a separate stereo amplifier. On the back of the powered speaker, we have an RCA 3.5mm and optical set of inputs. There's a phono switch on the back there, depending on if the turntable you're hooking up has a preamp built into it or not. Or of course you can use the Ethernet or Bluetooth connections for wireless playback. The remote control is really user-friendly with easy device selection, standard volume, play, pause, track, skip control, and your bass and treble adjustment. Overall, a cracking pair of speakers.
So there we have it, the Triangle AIO twin powered speakers. They're a brilliantly versatile solution for all of your entertainment needs. But don't just take my word for it, why not pop into your local Rich Sound store today, organise a demo and hear them for yourself. Thanks for joining me for this video. If you've enjoyed it, please consider subscribing and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.